Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if YouTube keeps showing the something went wrong error on your iPhone. To fix this, first head to the App Store and check if an update is available for the YouTube app. After updating the YouTube app, go ahead and restart your iPhone. If you still get the something went wrong error after this, open the Settings app. Now, scroll down to tap on General. Here, tap on iPhone Storage. In this menu, find YouTube app and tap on it. Now, tap the Offload app option. Wait for a few seconds and then tap the Reinstall app option. If you still get the same error, head to the General Settings menu again. Then, scroll down to tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap the Reset button at the bottom. Then, select Reset Network Settings and follow the on-screen prompts. After this, the YouTube app should not show the something went wrong error. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.